NewsRme. A look at what students think of Biden's loan forgiveness proposal. What else do students believe of the Biden government's controversial plan to forgive the debt of millions of Americans with outstanding student loans? To get a feel for how students felt about Vice President Joe Biden's announcement to forgive student loan debt, ABC News traveled to UNC in Chapel Hill. On Wednesday, Biden said that those with annual incomes of less than $125,000 would be eligible for tens of thousands of dollars in loan forgiveness from the Obama administration. Undergraduates at the University of North Carolina had a range of reactions to the president's most recent move. UNC student Elizabeth Johnson has spoken out in favor of Biden's plan to forgive student debt. Due to the high interest rates, borrowers must make substantial monthly payments. Their loan balances have not decreased. As part of Wednesday's broader announcement on student loan forgiveness, borrowers who used federal aid known as Pell Grants to pay for school may be eligible for up to $20,000 in debt forgiveness. In addition to Pell Grant recipients, the White House has announced that all other student loan holders will have up to $10,000 of their debt canceled. Some have praised the administration's efforts to reduce student debt, while others have pointed out that the rising cost of tuition has priced many people out of higher education. UNC senior Jasmine Bright believes that access to higher education should not be contingent on a family's ability to pay. The Education Data Initiative reports that black college grads carry an average of $25,000 more debt than their white colleagues. Loan forgiveness under Biden's approach would help the black community and open new doors to achieving financial success. Derek Johnson, CEO and president of the NAACP, said to ABC News that how this revelation was made will make it possible for more Americans, particularly African Americans, to pursue the chance of home ownership and property ownership despite the current debt ratio. If you don't qualify for Biden's forgiveness program, here's how to have your student loans canceled anyhow. Nevertheless, the expense of loan cancellation remains considerable. On Friday, the White House estimated that Biden's loan forgiveness plan would cost $240 billion over 10 years. However, other experts feel that the actual cost could be much higher. University of Pennsylvania Wharton School professor and director of the Penn-Wharton budget model Ken Smetters told ABC News that Biden's plan might cost more than $1 trillion. According to Smetters, there is not enough money to cover his proposal's extra expenses. That means it will just contribute more to the national debt. The national debt is already close to the size of the GDP, and it is projected to increase.